I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution to question number 3, page 441 on trigonometry self-test unit 7. You can actually pause the video, solve the question, and then look into my suggestion. The question is, solve the following in the domain 0 to 2 pi, cos x equals to square root 3 over 2, tan x equals to minus square root 3, and sin x equals to minus square root 2 over 2. Now to find the solution of this kind of an equation, what we need is two things. One, we should know in which quadrant we have positive trigonometric ratios. So we know that all are positive in quadrant 1, sine is positive in quadrant 2, tan in 3, and cos in 4. So one by one we can figure out cos is positive. That means we are looking for solutions in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4, correct? For tan to be negative, we want solutions in quadrant 2, in quadrant 4. For sine to be negative, that means the quadrants are 3 and quadrant 4, correct? So that is the first part to it. Now the second part to this solution is we can actually write down all the exact values, correct? Now to find the exact values, we are dealing with square root 3 and square root 2. So we can use the special triangles, which is 30, 60, 90, or pi by 3, pi by 6, 90. So this special triangle where the angle is pi by 3 here, pi by 6 in this case, sides are 1, 2, square root 3, can help us solve these two, right? And the triangle with pi by 4 will help us solve part C, correct? So whenever you're going for the test, the first thing in trigonometry you should do is you can actually draw your triangles so that you can easily answer most of the questions, correct? Now here, let us now write down the answers. So these are the coordinate planes in which we are looking for the solutions. The first one for us is cos square root 3 over 2. Now cos is square root 3 over 2 means the angle is pi by 6, right? So the acute angle is pi by 6. The other possible solution for cos being positive was actually quadrant 4, so which is here, right? So this pi by 6. So we have two solutions here. One is x equals to pi by 6, and the other one is the principal angle 2 pi minus pi by 6, correct? Which is, this is 6 pi by 6, 12 pi by 6, 1 less. So we can say 11 pi by 6, okay? So that is how you get. Well, some of you can also do like this, that is 2 pi minus pi by 6 and get 11 pi by 6, correct? Okay. Now for tan x, negative means we are looking for solutions in these coordinates, correct? Square root 3 means tan is opposite sides, so the angle for us, the acute angle is pi by 3, correct? So here the angle is pi by 3 for us, and since this pi is went to 3 portions, this is 2 pi by 3, the principal angle. So we get x equals to 2 pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3, correct? So the other is 5 pi by 3. So these are the two solutions for tan x. Now for sin x equals to minus, minus means sin x could be in quadrant 3 or 4. So we can actually sketch pi by 4s in these quadrants, correct? So here the solutions are this angle, which is pi plus pi by 4. And then we have this angle, which will be 2 pi minus pi by 4. So we can write x as equals to pi plus pi by 4, which is 4 pi by 4 plus pi by 4, which is 5 pi by 4. Well, and it could be 2 pi minus pi by 4, which is, you could write like this also, 8 pi minus pi, or 7 pi by 4. Well, these are all different ways of doing the same thing, right? So you can directly write your answer if you're good at it, or if you really want to confirm it, you can do in details as I've done it here. But anyway, the idea here is that you have to provide all possible solutions for these ratios to have their respective values. I hope that's clear. Thank you and all the best.